Hey guys, so today I'm going to tell you a little bit about referrals. Referrals is really good with the whole concept of refer a friend and get a deal. Um, Basically when it comes to like shops, you can run it either with an app, which is really good. It's quite easy and simple to get a referrals app built for you. It shouldn't be too expensive, and it's not expensive to keep things running. I like personally using referral emails, and the reason I like referral emails is it just makes things easier, because that way I build up an email list in the background as well. So what that does is it actually helps me to sell products out afterwards. And yeah, you can do this with an app as well, but people then have to think about the whole horrible process of having a new app on their phone taking up all of their stuff. It's a nightmare. Referrals is a really good thing because basically I've seen it used in so many different ways. So I've seen marketers use it in creating massive ecosystems using ref links. I use ref links with just about everything. I have an Amazon Associates account. I use ref links, and that sells people's products on Amazon. So that's one of the things that I do as an affiliate marketer. When it comes down to it, all of these different systems, they are really effective and a great way to do it, because you can give a deal with like buy one get one free to as a referral thing, or you can maybe give someone a glass of wine, or give them something nice when they refer another customer, because a happy customer is a customer for life. So and a good thing with referrals is to give something really nice to the customer, so when they come in for the first time they get 50% off, and the person coming in and referring them gets 50% off as well. So both of them benefit really well. Someone gets to try out your product and they will come back because they will think, oh, this is a darn good thing, I've had a great experience, and that will usually in most cases cover at least the majority of your cost. And think of it as like you're buying a customer. I mean, we've used referrals in just about everything. When it comes to like working with Star Sonata, this computer game that I did, I did some work on very long time ago. I occasionally help them out with things, but they have a referral system where what happens is you get points in game when you refer people, and they pay for a subscription. You get a percentage of that transferred through to your account, and you get you basically get in-game currency that you can use to spend on skins and all sorts of other things. It's a really good thing to do, and it's been really successful for a load of different businesses. I mean, one of the social media platforms that I really like, Tangled, they've got a referral system. What their deal on Tangled is, what you do is you put when you've got an account, you get paid to be online and to be on the website, and people pay each other on websites when they like comments and when they comment on people's posts. When they have any form of communication, they're sort of paying each other a small amount of fractions of a penny. But the thing is, over time, all this sort of stuff builds up. So when it comes down to it, please click on my ref link for Tangled, because I will always appreciate you guys. But when it comes down to it, I might actually put that in the video description. But anyway, these referral systems are great because you can also have things where if you want to get really complicated, especially if you've got an app, it's a lot easier. You can have like chain referrals where people can get kickback from things. So it's like with Tangled, the way that they did it, and was basically they've made it so that you will get given an award by the platform of a percentage of like 50%, I think it is, of what your referees come and their communications online. So you just rack up Tangled money in the background. That's Millix, and that's really good because it means you can post more often, make more money. It's really good. The more interactive you are on the platform, the more you'll make. So it comes down to this is just a really cool thing. But think about using referrals in your business. It can be really effective, and you should definitely try it. Anyway, have a good day. Bye.